Water is an important feature in any habitat designed for birds. It can be a small bird bath, or as in this backyard, a large koi pond. And in this case, with a smaller pond used to house the fry that were the result of this spring's spawn. There are several hundred small fry in this pond that will soon join these big guys in the big pond. The children went to see the big waterfall at the other end of the garden, but soon moved on to check out yet another water feature designed specifically for hummingbirds.
I'll pick her up.
And here's my favorite part for my hummingbirds. This is their private bath. Hummingbirds don't like real fast water. They like slow water. And water that's not so deep. So that's why we have this one.
Do you see him use it?
Only one time, but then of course I don't get to watch it all the time.
Sure.
I don't know how much they actually use
You
it.
need, yeah.
Makes me feel good that I provided it, so.
Oh, that's for sure.
She's just gonna come around the other way, you know it.
How many seconds?
Not long.
Okay, we'll head for the day.
Okay.
This is beautiful. Thank you, Dolores.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
I got this hat. There's a young boy who has a hat and a hummingbird feeder on the end of the hat, so I'm conditioning my birds to understand that the hat is available. And one of these days I'm going to put a person under that hat and sit and wait for the hummingbird to come and eat.
Yeah.
Very, very active feeder, this one.
Is it?
Oh, yes.
Oh, that's a good sign then.
Yeah, this one is almost as active as the one out in front.
Oh, for goodness. So you wondered is the red hat attractive?
I have no idea.
I'll wear it. Fire?
The whole idea is to use
I will
Yeah,
wear it.
exactly.
I'll wear it, and then when a hummingbird comes, I'll catch it in the net.
You guys are welcome to come
Where is
back
your
to
net?
my yard
Where is your
anytime.
net?
Wow. What do you think, kid?
Thank you, Mrs. Hagan.
Thank you for coming.
Gather by your leader, please.
Art and Barb organize the children with their leaders. It's count noses time, making sure everyone is accounted for, and they're ready to go on the next leg of today's journey in the great out of doors. Every Thursday, all summer long, Nature Neighbors is operating. Children discovering the wonders of nature under the incredible tutelage of Art and Barb Straub. We thank them for their dedication not only to the environment, but to the youth of our communities, and to the education of that youth, helping them become truly nature's neighbors. We thank you, Art and Barb Straub.